hey, what are we doing?
Well, we're going to get a 1972 Montego GT Mercury, which is a Ford product. And it's one of only two that I've ever had the opportunity to get, and it's relatively close by. And there's probably not another one like it in the state of South Carolina.
And it drives?
It does drive. It will drive.
Are you going to drive it on the trailer?
We'll drive it on the trailer. Will be the plan, yes.
All right.
Drive it on the trailer.
What are you going to do with it?
And then probably paint job, wheels and tires, shine it up real nice, and drive it down the road a little bit, and then see if we fall in love with it, or if she needs to find a new home sometime down the road. Who knows?
Well, I don't know.
It's every time whatever I've had, it ends up after about 2 or 3 months of completion for what I want to do, that ends up going somewhere else, finding a new home.
This is not going overseas, is it?
It could. Actually, since I know those people, this might be something that they might be interested in down the road.
Oh.
Because the Gran Torino wagon 72, it is currently in Brazil. Or that's Mexico. The Gulf of Mexico. Now the Gulf of America.
We failed. That was terrible. It's going to Brazil. No, Mexico.
You have to cross the border. The Gulf of Mexico now is known as Gulf of America. So if the Gulf of Mexico, it had the so if that was the music for the Gulf of Mexico, what would the Gulf of America's music? What would its theme song be? I guess. Like what would that be? Like,
America.
No, I don't. They can't do that. They can't do that one. Maybe
Sanford and Son?
You got it. I'm coming home to you, Elizabeth. Why don't I put my foot? Man, Red Fox, he's awesome. He's like amazing. Oh, you know what's sad is that sandwich place that we went to last time we were in Spartanburg. It's gone.
They tore the building down
because they got to build a baseball stadium so people can watch the baseballs.
I'd rather eat chicken.
But there was that other place we went to that used to be a little Wild Wings downtown Spartanburg. What was that place called? Do you remember?
Rigsby's.
Was it Rigsby's?
No,
that's in Anderson.
Barbecue.
No, it was that place that we tried all the things and they were good.
Yeah, they were all good.
And nobody was there.
No, because it was like a Wednesday night.
Yeah. Not too much happening.
It wasn't Mission.
Nope.
It was.
I think it was a barbecue place.
Hold on. Let's consult the Google.
Google. Google. Hello, ladies. Hello, ladies.
You know when you go through like sliding glass doors and it plays the sound effect? Like that's what I want. Like da 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 da. When
you mean go like over Star Trek?
Yeah. No, that sounds like Jason. That's not a horror movie.
That'll be. No. You know, from Airplane. That's what they did in the movie Airplane when they closed the doors.
Yeah. Yep. You're right.
Man with a mustache, about 6'3". Oh, that's a big mustache.
All right, let's see what Google says. Google says, smoking butt heads.
That's what it was.
Is that what it is?
I think so.
Smoking butt heads?
I think it was. Yeah, I think it was. It was not a normal name. It was not a name that, if my mother was there, I'd probably say the name. I would just say Smoking Behinds. That's what she would say.
That's it.
Smoking. That's it. Smoking Behinds.
Smoking.
Ann Stanton and Margot Freeze would not say the name of that restaurante. It'd be the Smoking Behinds.
Smoking?
Smoking Behinds.
Dang it. I could go
where the baby's here.
Take two.
Gaga goo goo.
That makes me think about a pancake, and I could really go for a pancake right about now.
Mr. Magoo over here. See, we're going this way. We're on this for 9.2 more miles till we get to Moore Road.
Till we get to Chicken?
Chicken. We are half a mile away, so we should probably wrap it up. B.
Oh, we're here.
We are here.
Oh,
We are here.
we did it.
We did it.
Did it. I know you could do it.
Yeah.
So you want to go try the flock shop?
Yeah, whatever.
Flock house?
We can go get try something. Try a thing. The flock shop.
Buffalo chicken dip, right?
Buffalo chicken dip. And with chives and pitas. Pitas?
Look at it. Look at it.
Let's have a little.
Let's try it. All right.
Try it right here. Let's go
Okay.
in here.
With your pita?
Nita. There we go. All right, I got a
Get
good bit.
Oh, me too.
The heat's on the back end.
Yep. Oh, here it comes. Yeah.
We got it. We got it.
Oh boy.
Got the bacon stuff on it. All right.
Hey, look at. Oh. Look at it. Give me the rundown.
I think it's onion cut in half, but I mean, it's pretty huge. It looks like something like a national park. Like, it looks very put together.
Yeah.
Like, hey, you came here to see this. You're not disappointed.
And we also got these cheese fries.
All right.
Well, I want to try this.
All right. So here we go with this.
Ooh. I mean, their special sauce is good.
Mm-hmm.
How do I even hold this thing? It's huge. It's huge.
Full service fucking. There we go.
There we go.
All right, so give me your overall rating on the flock
The
shop.
flock shop. Well, I mean, the food is good.
Mhm.
The buffalo was, it was.
Well, it wasn't buffalo. It's Nashville hot.
Yes, yeah. And their buffalo sauce was,
It was okay.
it was okay. The food was good. I'd eat there again. Try other things. If somebody was thinking about going, I'd tell them to go.
Yeah, me too. I mean, I like the guy that waited on us. He was nice. The ranch was excellent.
Yeah, ranch was excellent, definitely.
Now, the buffalo chicken dip was good.
Was good. Yeah.
It's just not like when you think buffalo.
Yeah, when you were going the PW scale,
No, yeah.
we got.
It was like a 5.
PW scale 5 to maybe 5.4,
Yeah.
5.5.
But the chicken sandwich itself was really good. Like, it was a big, what did they say? It was a full chicken breast?
Full chicken breast, yeah.
Yeah, it was good. But again, it wasn't a
No.
buffalo. We asked them
No.
to buffalo,
Buffalo,
it, and it was kind of like,
it was like a sprinkling. It was like it gave it a little fairy dust.
it was like that, yeah, they drizzled it a little bit.
Just a little drizzle.
Save 8 minutes via 4 Prince Boulevard.
Oh,
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 oh.
that sounds nice.
Save 4 minutes.
Hey, 8 minutes, 8 minutes. Let's save 8 minutes. I would rather
Alright.
save 8 minutes. Let's do it.
Save 8
In
minutes.
about 3.5
Shh.
She's sleeping. No, I don't have to wake them. They are sleeping. But I must.
But
But I must.
if the day came where Christopher ever did want to come along and say, "What the heck are you?" Then
Sure.
then we could. Sure.
You know what? He did say thank you for his Christmas presents. I
Oh,
don't know if you heard that.
I didn't.
He did say that.
Oh,
What was
just-
that beeping?
What just happened?
Was that me?
Nope. That was camera.
Did we run out of stuff? Run out of film?
I don't know.
Did our camera run out of film?
Are we filming?
It's green blinking. So
It's a green
red
blinking.
blinking should mean filming if we're going with the old school. What's the blinking? It's the off button.